What's up guys, Aiden here from Aiden Fry Customs, and today my mirrors came in for my truck. This is what the old mirror looked like, right here. So yeah, there's nothing wrong with them, it was just the one on the driver's side fell off and broke, so I got these new ones. I already got one of them in, but I'm gonna do the driver's side, the one that's broken. I'm gonna do that on video so you guys can see how to do it. And yeah, so my mirrors came in and my headlights also came in. So next video I'll be installing the headlights. So yeah, let's start doing that new mirror off. Back. I'm gonna get something to catch it because that nut is about to come off and I don't want to, it's in a spot where I can't really reach it up with my hand and I don't really want to fall down into the door and not be able to get it out. So I'm gonna get like a metal plate or a magnet to catch it if it falls. So I'll be right back. Got the magnet, so let's try and get this bolt out so it doesn't fall out. Look at that. I literally unscrewed it with this, and I don't know how it didn't fall off, but that's pretty cool. Alright. So, all three are off. This mirror should come off now. There she is. That's fine. Just the box. All that's left is to get this weather stripping off. And the new mirrors come with that, so we don't need that. Let's get our new mirror. That's what it's gonna look like on the truck. I'll put you guys down so I can screw them in. So it's on there, but it's not on there all the way. It's just sitting on there. So there's the new mirror. I think it looks a lot better than this old one. I think those ones look a lot better. But yeah, let me get them all tightened on, and then I'll get you a front shot of the truck to see what it looks like with the new mirrors on. So now we got that back in there. Now all these little knobs right here, they go in these things, just like this one. So we gotta take all of them out of the door and put them here, back into the door panel to put back on the actual door. This is a long process, so I'm probably just gonna cut it out. So when I got this all done, I will record myself putting it back in. See you soon. All right, got all the separate pegs in. Now it's time to put it back on the door. So I kind of forgot to record me putting it in. I didn't press record, but it's all back on. You just gotta line up all the holes and pop them in. It's not that bad. I don't really do stuff by myself, and I was able to do it. So here, let me turn the camera around. So, that's what it looks like with the new mirrors on it. I think they look a lot better than the old mirrors. Where the heck? I think they look a lot better than this thing. This is what it looks like. Well, that's broken. But like that little thing right there, how it like curves out and has the mirror on that. I really didn't like that. I think those look a lot better. So yeah, that's me installing my new mirrors on my truck. Honestly, to install, anytime you have to take off door panels or any kind of panel in your truck, it's really scary because you don't want to like break any of the clips, especially this for how old it is in 1992. All the stuff in here is very old and could break any minute. But I was able to take all my door panels off, clips, take them out, put them back in without breaking any of them. So it was pretty, because of that, it's pretty easy. But yeah, let's go. Next, yep. Ashton, yeah? Come here. Come look at my mirrors. Huh? Come look at my mirrors. Are you filming? Yeah. Tell me if they look a lot better from the stock ones. What are the stock ones? Remember the stock ones that came out, like chrome? Yeah. They look a lot better? Okay. Huh? What do you think? I don't know. Do you want to see what the other ones look like? This box. This is what the other ones look like. I kind of like these ones. Why? I don't know. Oh my god, Ashton. Okay, so yeah, that was that mirror install video. My next video should be me installing the headlights. So these old nasty sun fog headlights should be swapped out, new crystal clear ones. So see you in the next video for that one. Bye.